the idea that I would just start building my own guitar amps, because why not? And I looked online and I saw some boards I liked. Ordered everything. Started off with the power amp. It's a JFET build, and ordered all the different components. Didn't really make any changes to this at all. Started slapping it together in the garage. And then in front of that power board, I wanted a preamp, which I'll get to. Right now I'm just assembling this power amp and putting in all the capacitors and resistors. It's got a LM386 integrated circuit at the top, as you can see. And there's 3 little holes right in the middle. Actually has something really tiny. Okay, I'm actually taking a second to mention that I was tripping because I needed a transistor that I couldn't find. And I went back and I checked my parts number, and there was this parts number that was different but was similar. And it turned out that that part number that was similar was actually for the packaging, which is what you're looking at. And inside of this black package, inside of it, is the transistor I need. That little tiny black piece that is like, you know, here's it in comparison to my finger, my pinky finger. That is a whole package that I have to open and pull out the transistor that's inside of that black package. Yeah, pretty tiny little thing right there on the finger. Inside, you see the little 3-prong transistor. So I was able to get it on there and able to get it up soldered and go on, get up, get it up. Do the usual of clipping the excess, solder away, trim it. It's probably the closest my guitar amp will ever get to a haircut. And unfortunately, it's like a one and done, or maybe that's a pro, I guess. Depends on if you find haircuts like a meditative, relaxing experience, or possibly stressful. I think it's relaxing for the Zog Amp. So it's more of a final accomplishment to get a haircut. All right, well, the power amp's done. Cool. Spinnable knobs, beautiful pots. She's going to be able to make it loud. Alright, but in front of that JFET amp, we need a preamp. It's going to bring all the tones, the crunch, the shimmer, shine, bright chime, and the low down bag drag sag. All of those things. It's going to be able to do that because it's got a tone circuit in there, a boost circuit, and 2 different channels. And one of those is slightly gainy, and the other is a full overdriven. This is loosely based upon the old plexiglass Marshall, but it's a pedal preamp design that I made some changes to myself. So loosely loose, you know what I mean? So, but it's going to turn out pretty good, and it's going to make some sounds, and it's definitely going to be fat. It's got a rich fatness, just a beautiful modern fatness. Oopsie poopsies, I'm dropping that IC right there. Alright, Cool, you get it? Parts have to be put together. And then there's also some wiring and chaining the signal path to make sure the ground goes. Even more important than putting bare feet in grass to be grounded, you need to really solder your signal path to a good ground and make sure it's grounded. Alright, get all those wires in there for the preamp that then goes into the actual power amp. I want to start working on a 3D printed case. Shout out to Tinkercad. Definitely use that no matter what. Just go use Tinkercad. Use it right now. Turn the video off. I was able to print up a box for the power amp and do a quick test. That went fantastic. Took pedals really well too. Let's listen. Super fat, but it's got a great clean too. So here's some songs and let's check it out.